Here's the problem with air purifiers. You don't know if they actually work. You breathe, the purifier cleans, you breathe again, and everything feels the same. The purifier is like your friend John, who you've asked to donate $5 to your favorite charity. He says he did, but did he? You can get an air analyzer, but just like you and your lying friend John, they don't talk to each other. Meet Aura Air, the world's first total air solution. It does 4 things. 1. It analyzes your air by circulating it, so it can tell you what's going on right now, but also predict future problems. 2. It purifies it and disinfects it through 5 different filters to an entirely different level of standards. 3. It functions as a certified carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit, and it recognizes the air quality outside your home and gives you real-time air quality recommendations. Each of these things it does better than most of the other only doing one thing devices. And thanks to advanced technology, it's not the size of a refrigerator, so you don't need to move a couch to find room for it. If you're not living directly under a highway, you're probably thinking your indoor air is at least okay. That's because it seems clear. If it looked like this, you would know there's a problem. But if we could visualize every toxin that's in your air, you'd be able to see that your everyday air is filled with pesticides, gas leaks, pollen, formaldehyde, mold, and home-created toxins. In fact, according to the US EPA, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Maybe you are better off living under a highway. Now let's talk air purification. Aura Air uses a unique 5-stage optimized filter system, starting with a pre-filter that cleanses big molecules and particles of dust, pollen, and mold. The UV LED is for bacteria and viruses. Ray filter is for tiny particles such as microdust and germs. Then the smart fabric filter with copper and carbon absorbs smells and harmful gases. And finally, the stereonizer completes the purifying process by restoring necessary ion levels to closed environments. Your air is now cleaner and better than any other purifier can. And thanks to the analyzer, Aura Air's app will tell you how clean. You can also get tips and insights on how to improve your indoor air quality and see a graph of your home's air quality over time. Besides analyzing and purifying, Aura Air's sensors provide the built-in functionality of a carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit. The US requires every home to have these detectors, and everywhere else, it's pretty useful to have them as well. Now let's talk about what's going on outside. Aura Air teamed up with Rhizometer to give you location-based real-time air quality data. And you know they're good because they provide Google their air quality information. This can help you decide whether it's a good day for a jog or a better day to stay in and finally do that binge watching you've been postponing all week. So if you want indoor air analysis, the best-in-class purification, carbon monoxide and smoke detection, and outside air analysis all in one, get Aura Air. Now let's take care of that dependable friend problem. Here's David. Trust us. He's great.
Crystal Wash started from a desire to change the way we wash clothes.
I have never seen this before.
When we saw the power of bioceramics and what they meant to traditional laundry detergent, we got inspired.
I love the way my clothes smell.
Using the power of bioceramics from the earth that have powerful antibacterial and antioxidant properties, Crystal Wash cleans your clothes as effectively as laundry detergent. With Crystal Wash, you take these 2 bowls and put them in your laundry machine, and then you don't need to use laundry detergent. Here is how it works. First, as Crystal Wash moves around in your laundry machine, it changes the chemistry and pH balance of the water. This process creates a natural hydrogen peroxide type effect, which cleans and disinfects your clothes, killing bacteria and odors. Additionally, this allows them to penetrate through your clothes easier, to soak free dirts, soils, and odors more effectively. Crystal Wash will last for at least 1,000 washes. If you average 1 load per day, that's about 3 years of doing all-natural, chemical-free laundry.
Crystal Wash has saved me a ton of money. When I go to the grocery store, I don't have to worry about buying laundry detergent and lugging home those big plastic jugs. I feel like I'm being more natural and doing something that's better for the earth as well.
But that wasn't enough for us. Now we are ready to bring you Crystal Wash version 2.0, and here is what we want to do. As the bioceramics in Crystal Wash collect odors, dirt, and waste from your laundry, They need to be recharged in order to make sure the pH levels stay at an 8.5 or greater. To recharge Crystal Wash, you simply put them in the sun for an afternoon, approximately every 30 days, and the bioceramics are like new. This recharge process is simple, but easily forgotten, and if not done, the effectiveness of Crystal Wash is decreased. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to be reminded that it was time for a recharge? By embedding a state-of-the-art pH water sensing chip and a microcontroller with Bluetooth capability inside the current Crystal Wash, we can give users alerts so they know when it's time to recharge them in the sun. And while we're at it, why not give users several other tools and features right on their smartphone? This will help make laundry easier and more effective. We wanted this all-natural cleaner to share some of the modern benefits that come with our connected smartphone culture. So, our technical and design team set out to answer some questions about laundry and lifestyle.
What if we could give users alerts that the wash was done?
That's cool.
Yeah, what if you could get a real-time reading of how clean your clothes were getting?
So that's how clean my clothes are?
This could change the way people do laundry.
I can't tell you how excited we are about this technology. By adding a pH sensor and a Bluetooth module to the Crystal Wash form factor gives us a variety of benefits never seen in laundry before. We can get real-time wash pH levels, wash complete alerts, wash cycle tracking stats, savings trackings, all from your phone. You can literally see how clean your clothes are getting. Some of the things that we're hoping to include are recharge alerts, a stain guide, a label decoder, and really anything else that we can think of that's going to make washing your laundry easier.
If I got notifications on my phone that my laundry was done, that would be awesome.
That's awesome.
Building on the proven effectiveness and benefits of Crystal Wash meant delving into the technical side of just how this product works. Our development process went through a few different prototyping phases. Currently in the testing phase, our miniaturized Prototype 2 is sending back pH data to a mobile device via Bluetooth and showing us firsthand the impact Crystal Wash has on laundry. We're excited about submerged tests with this second prototype and look forward to moving on to our final module design. Now, we need to refine the sensor design, work out our power consumption goals, build out the final mobile app, and source our final vendors for manufacturing and distribution. We're close and need your help to bring this exciting and what we feel innovative device to fruition. Please help us get there. Thank you.
Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing SPINX, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. SPINX was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets clean. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, SPINX returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. SPINX operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. SPINX is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. SPINX, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
Hi, my name is Ariel.
And I'm Hila. We have 4 children and we hate to clean the toilet.
That's why we created SPINX. We've built an amazing team of engineers and designers, and we've created a smart product that saves time and effort.
We've completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers. Now we are ready to make the last adjustments and go to production. In order to bring SPINX to families and businesses around the world, we need your support to produce SPINX at an industrial scale. Thank you.